Come test drive the 1993 Pontiac Firebird. Few cars can match the level of performance of a Pontiac Firebird. It promises acceleration of the sort that shoves your spine right into the seat back. This vehicle has less than 120,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: intermittent wipers, remote keyless entry, fog lights, power driver mirrors, remote trunk release, leather seats, cruise control, power door locks, power windows, power steering. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.